So, yes, this is the Drone Maker Kit, and today we're going to take it apart from the box, take it out, show you from square one. I haven't even opened this box, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now, where you and your partner will be able to do this together, and it's going to be pretty cool. So let's get started. So when you open the box, you're going to find just like a mouse pad or just a quick intro. And then from there, this is all, you peel this back. Here are your two batteries that are going to need to be charged while you're waiting, and that might be an idea to go ahead and just plug them in. So let's take them out of the pack. Set those aside. Here are your charge cords for the batteries. And just take that out. This just gets undone. Same here. Then from there, each of the USB connectors gets plugged in one way or the other here. Let's see. There it goes. Then the next one gets plugged in here. Tight connections. Let's see. There we go. So it is up like that. And then once those are in, there we go, you plug this little adapter into, it only goes in one way, you plug it into the left side plug here, like that on the one battery. Same here. And then you plug this into your wall plug, and then it will show red blinking right here in the middle. You can't miss it. It glows red, and then from there it only takes maybe 20-30 minutes at the most, and it will show a glowing green color, about the same color as these scissors. You have 3 batteries. Take those out. Those are for your controller, your mini controller. Taking these out of the package, put our excess over here. Then here's your controller. So it's pretty sweet. Just take and undo this here. Actually, it rips. Take it apart out of the package somehow here. There we go. Then pull that out here. This is your mini controller. And from there, you just slide this back off and you put it in your positive, which is your plus sign, goes where it says plus here. The flat part goes where the springs are. Just put that in like that. And then there you are. And it just beeped, tell me it's on, but let's turn it off for now. And then from there, just slide it back on. That controller's ready. Okay, the next step, this is the motors, or there's 4 of them that hook on. So we'll take those out, put them onto our counter here. Then here's the propellers, and more propellers, or props for short. Here's your prop protectors, and 2 packs of those. Here are extra connectors, which allows you to customize your drone how you want it. And here is your drone body. Not much to it, but that's what flies it. It's the brain of the drone. And you get these wires. There are 2 sets of wires. There's a blue and red on each corner, right here, blue and red, and the other are black and white, just like that. Just set that down. This is where the battery goes into, right here. Then here is your instruction manual, and the box now is empty. So your instruction manual right here, that is easy to do. And actually, no, the manual is, or the box is not empty. Here are the arms, or the straws, is what these are. And they come in different colors, so you can design your drone with different colors. Clear blue, red, and green. It's pretty cool. We'll lay them right here. But your user guide here is the step-by-step process of putting it together. Here are your parts, labeled one by one. This here, the 90-degree connector and the through connector, that's what this bag is. And to start, you really don't need them. that is not needed to make the typical drone that I'll show you here in a minute. Then you have your prop guards, your body, your motors, your charger, which we put together, the cables, the 2 batteries, and the props. And there's a black props and white props, and your straws and your controller. Okay, then from there, this is building a drone. You have your prop guards, your drone body. All this list tells you how many of each, putting your drone together. And then we start here, cut 4 body tubes to equal lengths. 45 millimeters, that's why you're going to need a ruler right here and a pair of scissors, because you're going to cut the straws to length. So fold this in half, and I go by inches, but it's the same as inches. 45 millimeters is approximately 2 inches right here on your ruler, from the 0 to the 2. And the longest straw you're going to be able to have that works on the drone in length is going to be double that at 4 inches. And the reason being that when the wires are completely stretched out with the motors, the 2 wires connected together are about 4 inches long, and they connect right here on the tubes. So, okay, so what we're going to do to start, cut 4 body tubes to equal length. The tubes are going to attach to the drone body and the motor mounts by sliding them snugly over the connection points. I'm going to show you how to do that. So all I do is take my straw, start at the 0 here on the end, and I am going to cut it to 2 inches, about right here. There we go. Take it off. There's 2 inches. Then what I'm going to do is take and cut 3 more, exactly to the same length. Right there. There are a total of 2 right now. Take it again and cut 2 more. And you can use your different colors if you'd like. And then from there, that last piece is just a tad long. I'm going to cut that off because the length does matter, because it's based on weight. So even that little bit right here is going to add to weight, and the inconsistency of your drone is not going to allow it to fly correctly. So then what we're going to do is I have the drone motors. So I am going to put it on here, slide it on to the end where the prop center right here, this post is up there. So it's going to go just like that. Then same thing over here. Next one right here. Third one right here. And lastly, the 4th one, just like that. Then you follow the next page, and we are going to put the propeller guards on. So it takes 4, because you have 4 motors, 1 on each corner, and these are 4 in a packet right here. So the extra packet here, extra there, and then we're going to need those. Okay, so these prop guards just slide on, as it shows in the picture here, onto the end. And the post is the way the prop guard faces up. This is up. So you're going to take and put the post on just like that with it. So there's 1, 3 more to go. So we put this on here just like this, slide it on. 2. Slide this one on to number 3, all the way down till it hits the point where it won't go any further, because you want a straight surface right here across to your propeller. Then lastly, right here. Just like that. So, there we are. That is the step right here. Next one, I'm going to put the propellers on. So the props need to be pressed onto the motor axle. And you should match the props to the motors first. The props labeled A. It's got a little thing on it right there. A and B. So let's get these out. Okay. So if you look, it's got an A in black. You can't really see it. Right below the center here, there's an A. On the white one, you might be able to see a little bit better. That is labeled B, as it shows in the diagram here. Black is A, white is B. Then from there, you're going to put them on. Just push them on. The props labeled A will be mounted with the red and blue wires. B will be mounted with the black and white. So A goes to red. So black, let's see, black right here. Okay, black and white wire. Okay, that's going to be my blue, which is white. And so I'm going to push this on, just like this. Trying to show you in the picture, just like that. You just push it on. Somewhat hard. You can use your desk. Well, not really. You can use your scissors to push it on there. There we go. All the way flat against the motor. So black and white wire gets the white, and that's easy to remember because white with white. Okay, then same here. The white propeller goes on with a black and white wire, and you just push it down. That one went on easier. There we go. Make sure the propeller's down. And make sure your propeller is all the way down too, because otherwise, if it's up, if it's raised up like this, it's going to hit as it circles around. The propeller is going to hit the propeller protector, so the guard. Okay, now blue and red wires get the black propeller. So blue and red wire gets the black, which is the A. That goes on just like that. Next and last is the fourth one. That just gets pressed on. There we go. And flat. There we go. There we are. So now, next page, page 7. Aligning the motors in the drone body. So what we're going to do now is connect the motors with the wires as we go. So now what we're going to do is this red and black go to, or red and blue, excuse me, go to red and blue right here. So we're going to push this on, this corner, just like that. Okay, then the next step is you're going to put the wires together. So this part where you see it's like a little indent and you can actually see the wires, because this other side you don't really see the wires. So here you see the little wire tabs sticking up. Same with this. You're going to have a little tab on the side with the wires showing. On this side the wires don't show. The little tab goes into this hole here, just like that, and it gets pushed together. It's working with small stuff here, so there you go. Just be careful you don't pull this wire out on either side. So just push it with your fingers together. Now that's together. Okay? This is up. This is the top where you got the 2 posts sticking up. The 4 posts are the bottom, the 2 posts are the top. This is the front that has like a little nose connector on the front. The back is the battery. Okay? So now, same thing. I'm going to go a crossways angle to use my other blue and red wire, the black propeller. I'm going to push it on the corner. Then from there, I'm going to connect the wires. And same thing. You're going to have the opening that has like a open side over here that shows the 2 wires. Same here. You're not going to use the flat back area. You're going to use the part that sort of sticks up that you can actually see 2 little connectors here. That's going to go in just like this. You push them together with your fingernails or fingers so it's tight. Right there. Just like that. There we go. Sort of clicks a little bit. Then you got blue and red, and they're tight. Okay, lastly, or the second part is you're going to match up black and white now, because that's what I have left, 2 black and white wires with the white propellers. So that is going to go one in the front corner here, just like that. You push it on. This gets connected, same way. Right here, open wire, open wires on the front, just like this. You push it in till it sort of snaps in. You feel it sort of catch. There we go. There's one. And last propeller goes on. So he goes on this back corner one. And there you go. So now, my last wire connector goes right here. Okay, and it's snapped in. There we are. So now, bottom, as I said, is with the 4 push-on connectors here. The top of it, the drone has these squares with the 2 posts. And now, you have all 4 propellers on here. The drone is pretty much in good shape. And that is what we just got done here with the bottom of page 7. It shows you the different propellers, the different wire colors. And then from here, what you're going to do, you notice here when you look at my drone from the side that the body, this one might be out of whack, might be crooked. So what you want to do is line this top of your drone protector with the top of the drone. So I'm going to take and I'm going to turn it right here. So it's lined up. You look at it straight across. This flat part of the propeller protector should be flat with this, the best that you can get it, looking at it from the end. Same here. Next one, right here, I twist the straw and the propeller protector's lining up pretty straight. Next one, right here, same thing. It's pretty straight across. Next one, it is going to be straight across. There we go. And there you have it. So you have your controller. Your batteries in the meantime should be charging. Maybe even by now they might be turned green right through here. You can't miss that neat green color. The propellers, this is a spare set. You have a spare set of protectors. And you have the connectors, which actually you can see this little page here, almost like a mouse pad. That shows you the one I just made right here. But you can also make variations where instead of hooking the straws to the corner angle ones, you can actually hook them here, like it shows you here in the picture, and use L-shaped connectors out of this pack here. And right there's one. And you can actually make it and then have it come out at the bottom so the drone is sitting up a little bit higher, sort of a different variation. You can add things at the top, like a U shape at the top on these 2 posts here, and it would come up, over, and down. That would give you something to mount something on to carry it, like some paper clips or something for a competition or fun. This here on the front, you could make something on the nose come out. There's all sorts of variations here. But that's about it. And then one last thing is once it's, say this is charged now, what I would do is take it, flip it over. This is the bottom that hooks into here, this cutout. So the cutout here, or where it's cut, slides in just like this. You push it in. It's a little snug. You push it in, and then see there's still a space. You want to make sure that this is completely tight, and you hear it click. And it's tight up against, it's tight in here. That is the battery, and you're ready to go. But that's it. That's all I have for today. I hope you have the best time flying the drones and enjoy the summer camp. And then, by the way, these are leftover straws or arms for your drone that you can do different variations. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.